if you're self-employed and you are brand new and you're learning about self-employment taxes, self-employed tax, if you've got a truck like this and you're pulling some landscaping equipment, some pool cleaning equipment, you're in the service industry, who knows, maybe you're even a hairdresser. If you are at all using a Schedule C and you're a solopreneur, we're gonna talk about self-employment taxes here real quick. I got 3 things I wanna share with you, right? Number 1, do not allow self-employment taxes to consume your life. You do not want that to happen. You want to divide your time between offensive time and defensive time. So if you should be working right now, please turn this video off and get back to work, right? You should be learning and getting educated on defensive time, right? If you agree, if you are self-employed and you agree, hit the like on that thumbs button. The reason why you want to do that is because offensive time is revenue generating activities. You want, marketing, phone calls, emails, going to clients' houses, doing something that will bring more revenue in. That would be what you want to do during offensive time. Defensive time would be when you are not working. That would be when you would want to watch a video like this and learn about self-employment taxes. So that's number 1. Don't let it consume your life and prioritize your time between offensive time and defensive time. Number 2, as you are learning taxes, as you are learning self-employment taxes and whether you should pay quarterly and how much to pay quarterly and all of your self-employment tax deductions, as you are learning, don't just stop there. You have to learn, and then you have to ask yourself, how does this apply to me? How does this apply to my business? And then once you have a better understanding of how the tax code, how the tax law applies to your business, your line of work, then it gets simple and it gets automated. And what I mean by that is all you have to then do is open up a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and have your revenue up top and your expenses down below, and then you can organize your expenses by the category that is on the Schedule C. And then once you get a little bit more clever, you can whip out your wallet and you could have a couple different cards in your wallet, one for personal expenses and one for business related expenses. So again, if you are brand new to entrepreneurship, if you are brand new to being self-employed, or if you want to share this video with somebody else, this is how I think you should get started. I want you to have some success. I want you to do very, very well. And most businesses fail in the first year. So let's try to prevent that. Let's learn from some other people's mistakes. And that leads me to number 3. I know that you're watching this, consuming this on YouTube, but if you are not on Twitter, I just want to encourage you. If you are in the services industry and you are doing it on your own, you're 1099, you're self-employed, there are some really great accounts that you can follow on Twitter. And one of the things I would encourage you to do, and if you don't want to put your own name out there, you want to do it a non-picture and a non-account, that's fine. But search Bowtied something, Bowtied your industry, because there's this Bowtied community on Twitter and they share some really good, resourceful and really good, deep and insightful thoughts. And one of the best things that I think you can do if you are doing it on your own is try to ask yourself, where are resources for me to learn from? Who can I learn from to prevent making the same mistakes that other people have made? And I think a really great resource for that, other than on YouTube and watching great videos and how-to videos, would be getting some really great accountability and some really great immediate real-life feedback from people with real-life experiences. So listen, hey, if you appreciated some of that content that I shared with you in this video today, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Better yet, help someone else. If you are already a little more seasoned in self-employment and entrepreneurship, send this video to somebody that's brand new. If you're mentoring somebody, please let them, if you agree with some of the stuff I'm saying, of course, obviously, but share this video with some other folks and let's help other people succeed with their small businesses. Appreciate you. See you in the next one.